So what is this project you're working on?
I'm canning some chicken.
Canning some chicken? What kind of chicken?
Chicken with bone in.
Bone in? Oh,
yeah,
goodness.
It's legs and thighs and... No, not thighs. Legs and wings, basically.
Legs and wings?
I'm gonna sneeze. Don't want to sneeze.
It's a sneezy kind of day, for sure.
Yes. Yeah.
So you're packing your jars right now?
I am. And this is a whole wing. It's a big old sucker.
It is big. It's from our chickens, right?
Yeah. That's why I'm trying to preserve them. See, I would never cook that. I just wouldn't.
Why? It's delicious.
Well, I'm not saying it's not delicious. It's just not something that I would do. I'm not a fan of wings or legs. So
yeah,
if I can them,
I like dark meat. You like white meat.
That's right. So if I can them in, oh gosh, there's feathers on this. Oops. If I can them with the bone in, the meat will pretty much fall off the bones, and then I can use it for like making enchiladas or tacos or anything with chicken.
Good idea.
Yeah, I'm more apt to use them like this. What are you?
So what are you putting in the chicken that you're canning?
Well, I'm packing the chicken in. So I have 1 inch of headspace. And then, I have to rinse my hands. Then I'm adding in a ½ teaspoon of salt.
A little bit of salt.
Yep. I have a little bit of salt in each one. And then a little bit of pepper. Salt and pepper. A few peppercorns. And then bay leaf.
Are those ours too?
Yep.
Nice.
Everything in there except for salt and pepper.
It's nice to have your own bay laurel.
Oops.
So you're going to add water to them also? There's a little bit of water in the cans.
Yes, just a little bit. So
and
I'm putting in 2/3.
How long do they go in the pressure canner?
They have to be at pressure for 75 minutes, hour and 15.
75 minutes. All right, so you're adding the water in that one?
Yep. It's funny, it goes way up here, then it...
Yeah, it's like a quarter cup.
No, it's 2/3 cup.
2/3 cup. So salt.
There's my salt.
Peppercorns. Water, and bay laurel.
Bay leaf, and can I wipe them?
Wipe your lids.
Is the right one? Yes. This is
with vinegar.
I usually leave it. I didn't. It's all right.
Just to make sure the rims are clean.
Yes.
Nice.
Then I can pop my lids on.
And so there's very little water or anything. They'll cook in their own juice.
I put water in that one. No, I didn't.
Nope, no water in that one.
Put water in this one. Yeah, it'll make a lot of juice. It'll be full. Well, everything will shrink down, so the water might not all be there.
So you have the kettle, the electric kettle. Are you putting in hot water?
No, because this is all cold pack. I'm just using this as the thing that I can wash it. I mean, because it's all chickeny, so I don't want to.
Yeah, I gotcha.
So, another this. Oh, hello. I have more chicken right there. Oh,
Some more chicken we had out of the freezer. Wings and legs.
Yep, I have 3 legs here. 2 more in here. The problem with these legs are so huge that they are too tall.
Oh, that one is a little tall. Can you shave a little off the end of it?
Well, no, that's gross. But what I will do is, oh, look at that. That one went down. That's off. This is off the same bird.
One leg shorter than the other.
I guess so.
I think you could trim that. That'd be
Or
fine.
a cripple thing. No, it will be fine. I'm just gonna. Everything else will be there.
Oh, and it'll shrink down a little bit too, right?
The lid on. Yeah, it'll be fine. See, these two will fit. And then we have. I thought I had 2 more legs. Am I wrong? Did they run away?
He ran away.
What happened to? Oh, here they are right here. They ran away.
Your legs were hiding?
Yes, hidey legs. Now, see if they will fit.
Our view from the kitchen window. Another beautiful day on the homestead.
What, did you find a squirrel?
We are making war on sticker burrs, so I burned all of this and I planted ryegrass.
And he's
And
been
so
watering the fool out of it.
Watering it at least once a day. But
And the
nice view.
the sticker burrs are growing back.
They're coming back already.
Anyway, again, chicken. Bah. So that's what I'm doing.
We did broth yesterday, so here's the cleaned up dishes from making broth yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Chicken carcasses.
It does make a mess in the kitchen doing all this. For sure. I hope these 2 will go into that last jar and then we'll just stuff these little wing flats. So when we butchered these, when we butchered these chickens, I thought, well, I'll just, people like wings, right?
Mm-hmm.
And these are, they're big wings. So they'd be nice and meaty. I could cook them up for blah, 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 whatever. And so we did these in May. I still haven't cooked them. So here they go, off to the shelf. So I think I have just enough chicken to finish these jars. How amazing is that? So,
8.
Great. So if you like the video, please like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. That took a while, but pressure's gone. It's cooling down. Ooh. And there it is. We don't want to maybe this one will slide a little bit. There it goes. It's kind of blending. And then the water that's in there will be a good broth. I'm going to leave them in there until they stop boiling. And ta-da! It's done.